To fix the error, the first step is to try different browsers. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can try Microsoft Edge or maybe Mozilla Firefox. You can try different browser and then you can try to create an account. If that does not work, you can clear cache. Now for this, you can go to your browser and then click on these three dots and then go to settings. Now go to privacy and security and then click on delete browsing data. Now once you select all time, it will delete the browsing history from all the sites, cookies and other site data to delete Google cookies from this device, cache image, download history. So I will select these four options and then you can click on delete data and then you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to use another computer or any other device like phone or tablet. So you can try to create an account on another computer, or you can use other devices like maybe you can use your phone or tablet and then check. Next step is to switch to different network. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then you can check. If that does not work, you can use phone hotspot. So you can turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone. Now turn on the data on the phone and then turn on the personal hotspot. And then you can connect to your phone network. Once you are connected to your phone network, then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to disable or uninstall ad blocker. So in your browser, if you have any kind of ad blocker, now for this you can go to three dots, click on settings. Once you click on settings, now go to extension over here. Now over here, if you have any ad blocker, any privacy extension which may be responsible, you can delete, you can disable that extension, or you can even remove that extension and then you can check. Now the next step is to select privacy and now go to settings, privacy and security on your browser. So go to privacy and security and then you can go to security option and then scroll down, and over here you can try different DNS provider. So you can try maybe Google DNS, you can even try Cloudflare DNS server. So try different DNS server and then you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to try VPN. So you can use VPN to fix the connection issue and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.